Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.